Micah, and I'm here with Timaeus. She's gonna be spending the night. Look at his head. You gotta do it again, Timaeus, because we didn't get that on camera. Just wait till another car comes. You too lucky. Looks like a car coming. Oh, it's going that way. Yeah, I can't tell. Yep. That would be too far. Oh, shoot. It is. I mean, that was not. Girl, your butt keep jiggling. My butt don't jiggle. Yeah, only when I twerk. You know what they say. Dang it, don't spray it. Oh. Hello. Say it, don't spray it. I think. Guess what someone commented in my video? He wants, no. Yeah, they. Okay. And look, what did he tell you? Look, he said, I want you and your friend to do a fart battle. And I said, well, my friend doesn't like to fart. So I said, my sister would do it, which is you. And he said he wanted to have a fart battle. Get ready! She danced in front of the car. Okay. Dare or double dare? What? Dare or double dare? I guess double dare. Yeah. No, I was doing one thing. He said he wanted a fart battle. I was like, we can't do a fart battle. We don't fart a lot. Unless, well, can you text him back? I forgot what video it was on. But I said, well, it's someone else commenting. Okay. One time? Yeah, my God. Okay, go in the house. Let's go in the house. It's cold. Yeah. I'll teach you. You run in so we never feel fat, bro. Look at this girl. Whoever touched the door now wins. Touch. I want. She's slipping down, y'all. She is slipping down. Okay, stay here. This is just a little vlog. Don't look at our messy house. Okay, let's go. Okay. You wanna go watch the video? Huh? You wanna go watch the video? It gotta work over here, and I'm not done with the vlog. So let's finish the vlog. Okay, let's go. So my hands are freezing. We've been outside forever. Yeah, we've been outside forever. I do her YouTube thing. You want to come? Nope. What one? The blue one? No.
Oh, that one. She had one for YouTube that her daddy bought her for birthday. She done lost it.
That's your birthday.
Come on, you jack. What you got on?
Timaeus, you want color? Huh? You want color?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, sure.
You said yeah? Well, you want to do a coloring book or just draw ourselves? Like
Draw ourselves and then color it ourselves.
Okay. Well, have you watched SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to try to draw SpongeBob. And then we're going to color him. Okay?
Okay. I'm going to put it right here because I'll be the first one to fall.